Welcome back, and as a Kenyan, you need to brace for this. Kenyans will now have to dig deeper into their pockets to afford basic commodities after Parliament voted unanimously to raise VAT tax from the current value-added tax rate of 16% from the current 14%. The MPs said the move is aimed at generating additional revenue to the government that is still currently struggling to pay public servants.
Moments after the country recorded its initial cases of the COVID-19, President Uhuru Kenyatta proposed a raft of economic measures aimed at cushioning Kenyans from the economic impact of the pandemic, more so the high cost of living. The measures, among others, included lowering the VAT rate by 2% to 14%, removal of income tax on workers who earn a maximum of 24,000 shillings. The honeymoon will soon be over after the National Parliament voted to make amendment to the Tax Laws Bill 2020 and revert VAT to 16%.
New added tax amendment to the rate of tax order 2020, published as legal notice number 206 of 2020. Will as many as for that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as for the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
The bill also amends the Income Tax Act that will see pay-as-you-earn and corporate tax increase from the current 25% to pre-COVID-19 levels of 30%.
People who benefited from the corporate tax, for instance, did not do anything for the workers. They still went ahead and laid off the workers, and most of the workers are at home. So we would rather better go back to where we were in hope that then they can actually employ these workers who already they removed from work despite the moratorium that they were given.
Some parliamentarians arguing that the upwards review of the taxes will further increase the cost of living.
10 to 16%. I can bet, Honorable Speaker, the day after tomorrow, there are prices of commodities that will go up because business people are in business driven by the profit motive and not anything else, Honorable Speaker.
However, a section of MPs were adamant that the government needs additional revenue to dispatch its mandate effectively. The amendments are expected to take effect starting February 2nd, 2021.
Members of this House know very well that if they do not receive their salaries, they will not come to work. And therefore, I do not expect any member of this House to rise up and oppose this amendment, because if they do that, they will be failing themselves, they will be failing their constituents.
Benson Rioba reporting for Channel 1 Business.